Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll share with you another early to join airdrop project called Solstice, which will launch their token soon called SLX. So what is the aim of this project? Solstice is a DeFi platform on Solana offering secure institutional grade yield through a fully collateralized stablecoin USX and high performance yield vault. As for the funding and other details, they haven't been made public yet. Also, their status is a potential airdrop and their investors are not revealed yet. If you visit their X profile, you can see they have 65k followers right now. If you scroll down, you'll notice they share lots of updates about their project, which is another positive sign. Before joining the airdrop, if you want the latest updates related to crypto and airdrops, you can join our Telegram channel. I'll provide the link in the description, so check it out. Now to join the airdrop, I'll provide the Telegram link in the description where you'll find this page link. Click that link and you'll land on this page. We are joining very early in this project. First, simply click on the join now button. Then enter your email and click on submit. It will ask you to verify your email, so check your email for the code, copy it, paste it here, and it's done. Next, you need to connect your X account. Click on connect X, then authorize app, and it's done. Next, you need to connect your Solana wallet. Click on connect Solana wallet, then choose any of these wallets. Here I'll select Phantom wallet, then click connect, and again connect, and it's done. Next, you can join their Telegram. Click on join, and it's done. After that, you'll see your total XPs, referrals, and your ranking. If you scroll down, you'll see lots of basic tasks you need to complete. For example, click this one. And here you need to follow this X profile. Follow it. And it's complete. Similarly, you need to complete all these tasks, which are very easy to complete. Here you can claim your early registration badge. But to complete the task, you need a small fee in your wallet in Ethereum. If you want, you can claim this. Finally, in the referral section, you'll get your referral link, which you can share with your friends and community to boost your XPs. That's it for this video. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comment section. If you're new to this channel, please like and subscribe. See you in the next one. Goodbye.